I'm with Mr. Gas Marcelo of the Yahoo Division Chief of Business Development Division of Bulacan. Sir, we have some questions regarding BTI in terms of launch of business. First off, what are the requirements for opening up a business?
Okay, good morning. Actually, initially, in opening a business, you should start in registering the business name to be used with the appropriate with your business. You have to. The first step is to apply for business name registration with DTI.
So
it is always the best step. You are assuming that the business, that the entrepreneur is already had in mind what specific business he's going into, and he's about to start a business, isn't it?
yes, sir. Sir, next question is, which step should a person take in opening and starting their own business?
It is very basic that when a particular person or individual wants to put up his own business, there are a lot of factors to be considered. I will give some tips in starting a business. Basically, it starts from know yourself. Know yourself. The number one tip. It is simply scanning yourself. Is it really within yourself? Are you really decided to venture into a business? So you have to have a lot of experiences, trainings, education
Related to the business.
before starting a business. Primarily, it always boils down to your knowledge in putting a particular business. For example, your parents is still engaged in, like what you are saying, a particular
Business pawn shop.
you're running a pawn shop.
Yes, sir.
So your upbringing as one of their children is about operating a pawn shop, isn't it?
Business.
So it's very easy for you, like yourself, to start a business similar to that pawn shop, or to start a pawn shop.
What are the usual problems people encounter in opening their business, their own business?
Actually, there are no specific problems in terms of opening their business. Like what I have said, the number one, as I have said, the number one tip is know yourself.
Yes.
Number two is know your product, know your competitor.
Yes.
Think Japanese and think Chinese. Those are the tips that.
So what does that mean? Think Japanese.
Japanese businessmen are very good in terms of networking. Networking. With the present high-tech equipment, they have a lot of those equipment in terms of that they are using with their networking.
What are the services offered by DTI and how do they help the people?
Actually, DTI have a lot of services. Our major trusts are consumer welfare and business, consumer welfare, CWB, and business regulation. Consumer welfare and business regulation.
So what's consumer welfare?
Consumer, all of us are consumers. We have to protect the consumers, like implementing the fair trade laws.
Yes.
Like for example, the Republic Act, RA 71, the price tag law. This law should be implemented. This law should be implemented in different nationwide.
Yes.
Different price tag means putting price tag to all commodities.
Okay. What are the different steps in setting up a business and why isn't there a single entity?
what are the services offered. And number 2, let's go back to number 5. So our major trusts are post-civil welfare and business regulation and business development.
Alright.
Business development.
So the last question, sir, what are the things the DTI do avoid problems and cheating to occur caused by the business owner?
By implementing fair trade laws.
Implementing.
We have a lot of fair trade laws. Like what I have mentioned, Republic Act 71, the Consumer Act of the Philippines.
Right.
So with the implementation of all those fair trade laws, I think we can check or we can answer the problems in cheating, like yung victimization, yung selling, yung soft selling. We can avoid that. Actually, the problems are not solely to be shouldered by DTI.
Yes, sir.
There are also responsibilities of those to be played. The LGUs, they have to implement the local government units. Like the city of Manila, they have to conduct regularly the weight and measure, yung standardizing they are using pang-kilo.
Yes.
Diba? They have to be
Precise.
diba? They have to use the standard weight in order to know yung weight, diba nakakadaya
Yes,
sila.
sir.
Kaya kung babagsakan mo siya ng standard weight na 10 kilos, then you can see if that weight, particular weight, is in accordance with the appropriate, diba? Measurement.
Sir, yun na lang po yung question. So, we're done.